Have you ever wondered why the study of soil structure interaction is so crucial? Understanding how soil behaves under different structures can prevent disasters. It helps engineers design buildings that can withstand earthquakes and other natural disasters. Soil structure interaction affects the stability and performance of various structures. Analyzing this interaction can lead to more durable and cost-effective construction methods. By studying soil properties, engineers can predict how a structure will behave over time. Improving our understanding of this interaction can lead to more resilient infrastructure. Understanding soil structure interaction is essential for building safe and sustainable structures. It can also help in developing better foundation designs for various types of buildings. The way soil reacts to the load of a structure can impact its long-term stability. By studying soil behavior, engineers can optimize the design and construction process.